Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, October 9, 2022. Today's video is about Sky Reflector-Net at Fulton Center. The Sky Reflector-Net at Fulton Center, a subway and retail complex centered at the intersection of Fulton Street and Broadway in Lower Manhattan, New York City. The Sky Reflector-Net, which was commissioned by the MTA Arts Design, the art program of the MTA, was installed in 2014 in the Fulton Center Transit Hub. Located at the center of the oculus, the Sky Reflector-Net uses hundreds of aluminum mirrors to provide natural sunlight from a 53 feet, 16 meters, skylight to an underground area as much as 4 stories deep. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.